Hi guys, this is a quick revision of differentiation using the quotient rule and the chain rule. This one's about medium strength, probably an exam strength kind of question, so it certainly could be on any paper that you're likely to encounter. Let's see how we go with it. So I've got y here equals a quotient, u over v I'm calling it, where u is the numerator function of x, which happens to be x itself in this case, and v is the denominator function of x, which looks a bit nasty. It's natural log of x squared. Now, the first thing we do, guys, is we take the derivative of each of those terms. So du dx would be 1, and now think about this dv dx. Now that's a chain rule issue. So what do you do with that? Have a think. Have you got an answer? Well, this is what you do. If you've got v equals log of a thing, where the thing isn't x, which it's not in this case, it's x squared, you say the derivative is 1 over the thing times the derivative of the thing itself. That's what you do with the chain rule, okay? That's how the chain rule works. Now that comes to 2 over x. Alright, now we've got our ducks in a row now. We can go right ahead now and use our quotient rule. Now the quotient rule looks ridiculous, doesn't it? But it's not so bad once you learn it. I learn it with a little jingle. Basically, it's the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator over the denominator squared. Now, I simplify all that into a little wrap. It's called bottom d top minus top d bottom over bottom squared, okay? Bottom d top minus top d bottom over bottom squared. Now, that's easy to remember. It runs off the tongue very nicely, and it saves your life when you're trying to remember which way it all goes. Okay, what is it? Repeat after me. Bottom d top minus top d bottom over bottom squared. Okay, now we just plug and chug, guys. So there's bottom, there's d top. Wait a minute, going too fast here. Bottom d top minus top d bottom over bottom squared. And just simplify a little bit, don't go completely crazy with it, because you could lose marks if you overly engage with the answer and try and pretty it up too much. So I think we just go log x squared minus 2 over log of x squared all squared, and just leave it like that. Get out of there. There's your marks. Absolutely fine. Quotient rule, chain rule. Alright? Go get them, guys.